Brookshire, and I am from Decatur, Alabama. Today I worked with and signed papers for Prestige LLC to purchase my home of 38 years. For me, this was a deeply emotional experience, and William and his lovely wife helped me every step of the way to feel supported. They made it feel like they respected every ounce of effort and time that I put into my home. And I'm just so happy that they're going to be able to give it a brand new life for a brand new family that can grow up in it and be happy too.